First alert, weather alert day because of gusty winds. Here's the view from the TMOS Live Sky Cam on EDOM Hill. And typically when it's real windy, this camera's bouncing around. That's not the case. We're going to see blowing sand and dust. Air quality is not going to be great later on this afternoon as those high winds kick in. Now, that wind warning, the high wind warning, doesn't kick in until 8 o'clock this morning, and it will last through the early morning hours of tomorrow. A winter weather advisory as well through the overnight as we watch for some snow in the higher elevations, perhaps some significant snowfall, 8 to 10 inches, maybe a little more at the highest elevations. Quick moving front, unlike last week. This storm system will pass by quickly and will be gone in the overnight hours, but because it is a fast mover, it will generate some very gusty winds. Already starting to see those winds pick up. Yucca Valley, and as you work your way over toward 29 Palms, winds up around the 13-mile-per-hour mark. Look at Whitewater. Wind gusts, these are gusts of 50 miles per hour and 19-mile-per-hour winds at Big Bear, 24-mile-per-hour winds in the Banning, Beaumont, San Gorgonio Pass. So watch out for that, especially if you're driving something high profile like an RV. Winds will be in the 25 to 35-mile-per-hour range, generally speaking, those wind gusts. But we could see stronger gusts throughout the valley, particularly north of the valley. They'll settle down after about 10 o'clock tonight, and then by early tomorrow morning, winds of 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperature-wise, we're looking at those mid-50s. Nothing's changed West Valley. We're hovering close to the 60-degree mark in Thermal and Mecca. This front also brings with it that threat of maybe a sprinkle or two. You can see some very light shower activity working its way now through the LA area, the Los Angeles basin, looking at some light showers. You can see, here's the better view on the Doppler radar. A little bit of rainfall, nothing real significant. We're going to see snow, but the snowfall is going to be really focused more around the Big Bear and Arrowhead area, not so much around the top of the tram. That's where the heaviest snow will be, in the north side of the mountains, as opposed to here in Riverside County. But could be pretty significant snow in those higher elevations. First alert, weather alert today through early tomorrow, and then it will expire. So by the time we get back together tomorrow morning, we will likely not be looking at that. Gusty winds today, temperatures in the 60s, 70s on Wednesday, and then 80s for the latter part of the week. A little front sneaks in Friday. That will cool us off for the weekend. We're going to go with mostly sunny skies by the end of the week. Look at those 80s, 81 to 85. Really warm stuff coming up for the latter part of the week.